Stay tuned, everybody. We'll have that video for you later this afternoon. Now at noon, this former camp counselor, Crystal Hurd, is accused of sexually abusing kids more than a decade ago. She made her first appearance in court this morning. According to the arrest report, this went on for years. A spokesperson with the city of Sanibel says Hurd worked at the Sanibel Rec Center from 2005 to 2009. That's where she met at least one alleged victim. Wink News reporter Summer Senni is outside the Lee County Courthouse with the latest from her appearance in court.
Crystal Hurd tried not to be emotional in court today, but she was visibly shaken when she heard Judge Robert Branning say that she would be held without bond. Hurd is accused of sexually abusing one boy and three girls from 2008 to 2014. A report from the Lee County Sheriff's Office says Hurd met the victims while she was a counselor at the Sanibel Rec Center. The investigation started in 2020 when Hurd's mother-in-law contacted law enforcement about the alleged abuse. Earlier today, Hurd appeared before Judge Robert Branning inside a courtroom. The prosecuting team called Sergeant Timothy Teeter to the witness stand. 5 years ago, Sergeant Teeter was a detective with the Lee County Sheriff's Office in the Special Victims Unit and started the investigation into Hurd back in 2020.
Did you also have the opportunity to interview Ms. Hurd's husband?
I did.
And did he indicate whether or not he had spoken with his wife, Ms. Hurd, about the accusations?
Yes, ma'am, he did. He had a conversation with his then wife, Crystal, that during that conversation, he pretty much wanted to understand if there was a sexual relationship between victim one and herself, and she admitted to having sex with victim one.
Hurd's defense team tried to argue that Hurd should be released on bond, but Judge Branning agreed with the prosecuting attorney. As the judge read his ruling, Hurd put her head down and started crying, even turning to look back toward the audience as she left the courtroom. Hurd is facing one felony count of familial or custodial sexual battery, which we learned today in the courtroom could be punishable by life in prison. Her next appearance in court is November 24th, and trust Wink News to continue to bring you updates on this case, both on air and online. For now, at the Lee County Courthouse, Summer Senni, Wink News.
Accused of violating the trust